The dark web, a mysterious, fascinating place, as intriguing as it is unsettling, and yet many people who venture into it make mistakes, sometimes serious, sometimes irreversible. In this video, we're going to look together at the mistakes you absolutely must avoid if this topic interests you, whether it's out of curiosity, for security reasons, or simply to understand how all of this works. The goal here is purely information and prevention. Mistake number 1, believing Tor protects you from everything. Many people think Tor guarantees anonymity. Unfortunately, that's not true. Yes, Tor reduces traceability, but it doesn't protect you from malware or malicious websites. And above all, it doesn't protect you from your own mistakes. Accessing the dark web without a VPN, leaving JavaScript enabled, all of that already exposes you. Mistake number 2, downloading just anything. On the dark web, the vast majority of files are suspicious. PDFs, zips, exes, images, anything can contain ransomware, a keylogger, or backdoor. Downloading a file from the dark web onto your computer is a bit like inviting a shady stranger into your home. You know how it starts, not how it ends. Mistake number 3, sharing any personal information. On the dark web, a single detail can be enough to identify you. Your writing style, a username you've already used elsewhere, an email address, even your time zone can give you away. The rule is simple, share nothing, ever. Mistake number 4, trusting marketplaces. Dark web marketplaces are a universe full of traps. Many are scams, clones of real sites, or outright honeypots set up by law enforcement. And even reputable markets can disappear overnight, taking all the money with them. On the dark web, anything can shut down, and anything can be monitored. Mistake number 5, thinking cryptocurrencies make you anonymous. Many people forget this, but Bitcoin is not anonymous. All transactions are public, and many investigations move forward precisely thanks to blockchain analysis. Even with more privacy-focused cryptocurrencies, if you use a KYC exchange, your identity can be linked. Believing that crypto equals invisible is one of the most dangerous mistakes. Mistake number 6, clicking on any .onion link. .onion links can be trapped, spoofed, or altered by just one letter and send you straight to a phishing site or malware. On the dark web, every click must be thought through, rarely thought through. Mistake number 7, thinking the dark web is 100% legal as long as you're just looking. In some countries, simply accessing certain types of content is already illegal, even if it's unintentional. The dark web erases neither the law nor your responsibility. Mistake number 8, underestimating human risks. Many people think they are anonymous and behave as if nothing can happen to them. They discuss sensitive topics, make illegal requests, overestimate their technical skills. But the reality is this: the dark web isn't full of experts. It's full of human mistakes. And those mistakes are what bring most people down. The dark web is not a game. Even if you stay on the legal side, the technical, financial, and personal risks are very real. The best advice is this: don't venture into it without understanding, without caution, and without a genuinely legitimate purpose. This video has only one goal: to inform, to prevent people from putting themselves in danger out of simple curiosity. If this kind of content interests you, feel free to like and subscribe. See you soon in the next video.